Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be working on a simple wafer paper cake. So I'm going to let you enjoy the video and I will be back in the end. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, you are so welcome. Hit that subscribe button and join the pro family, and leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.